So 2.3, my dear students, effective listening skills. Before this, we talked about non-verbal communication in 2.1, types of non-verbal communication in 2.1, and then we move on to 2.2, in which we discuss barriers to communication. Now let us talk about effective listening skills. Now, a lot of the time I hear this from my students that we are unable to listen properly. Or when students appear in IELTS exam, they always complain that they end up getting low bands in listening skills. So listening skills play an integral role in the success of our personal and professional communication, undoubtedly. Most of us listen at 25% to 50% efficiently. There are several barriers to communication process which we must overcome to become effective listeners and speakers that we have already discussed. I already told you that one has to be a good listener in order to understand the message of the speaker. So what are the strategies through which you can improve your listening skills? Number one, stop talking. Listen, understand, and then reply. Do not listen to the speaker just for the sake of replying. Understand the message of the speaker, weigh in your options, and then reply. Then control your surroundings. Definitely, if you are talking to someone at a very crowded place, you might not be able to understand what the person is saying due to a lot of noise. Be receptive. Always be calm, be receptive, be open. Listen to the individuals with open mind. Initially, their ideas might offend you. You might become apprehensive. But the important thing is this, that you have to have an open mind. Try to listen for the main points. Listening for the gist is important. And then capitalize on lag time. Then read between the lines. It is very important. Listen between the lines what the person is saying. Sometimes the message of the speaker is hidden. You do not get the message in plain words. Judge ideas, not appearance. If you have preconceived notions about the person who is giving a talk, you might not be able to understand because of the preconceived notions that you have for that individual. Avoid interruption. It is very important. And avoid interrupting the individual. Wait for your turn. Take selective notes to ensure retention. And most importantly, provide feedback and confirmation. Thank you for listening.